Is your crypto just sitting there, doing absolutely nothing? Are you watching your potential returns gather dust while the exciting world of decentralized finance continues to evolve? Well, what if I told you there's a way to put those digital assets to work, potentially earning you passive income simply by holding them? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into some exciting news coming from one of the biggest names in the cryptocurrency exchange space, Kraken. They've just announced the launch of several new staking assets, and if you're looking to maximize your crypto holdings, this could be a game changer. Now, before we jump into the specifics of which new assets Kraken is offering for staking, let's take a step back and make sure everyone understands exactly what staking is and why it's become such a popular way for crypto holders to earn rewards. At its core, staking is the process of actively participating in the transaction validation process on a proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain. Think of it like this: instead of relying on energy-intensive mining operations, POS blockchains choose validators to confirm new transactions and add them to the blockchain based on the amount of cryptocurrency they stake or lock up. When you stake your crypto, you're essentially locking a certain amount of your digital assets in a designated wallet for a specific period. By doing so, you're contributing to the security and efficiency of the network. In return for your participation, the network rewards you with newly minted cryptocurrency or a portion of the transaction fees. It's a win-win situation. You earn passive income, and the blockchain operates more smoothly and securely. The beauty of staking lies in its relative simplicity. Unlike more complex DeFi strategies like yield farming or liquidity mining, staking generally requires minimal active management. Once you've staked your assets through a platform like Kraken, the rewards are typically automatically distributed to your account. This makes it an accessible option for both crypto beginners and seasoned investors looking for a straightforward way to grow their holdings. Now, why is Kraken's announcement of new staking assets such a big deal? Well, Kraken is one of the most reputable and widely used cryptocurrency exchanges globally. Their commitment to security, regulatory compliance, and user experience has made them a trusted platform for millions of users. When a major exchange like Kraken adds support for new staking assets, it not only provides users with more opportunities to earn but also signals growing confidence in those underlying blockchain projects. Furthermore, Kraken typically offers competitive staking rewards, often higher than what you might find on other platforms or by trying to stake directly on the blockchain yourself, which can be a more technically challenging process. They handle the complexities of running validator nodes and managing the staking process, making it easy for you to participate with just a few clicks. So, without further ado, let's get into the exciting part: which new staking assets has Kraken recently launched? Pause for a slight visual transition or graphic. As of their latest announcement, Kraken has added support for staking the following cryptocurrencies. Hypothetical new asset 1, e.g., NovaCoin, NVC. NovaCoin is a relatively new blockchain project focused on, mention a key feature or use case, e.g., decentralized identity solutions. By staking your NVC on Kraken, you can now earn an estimated annual yield of hypothetical percentage, e.g., 8 to 12%. This high yield reflects the early stage of the project and the potential risks and rewards associated with it. It's important to do your own research into NovaCoin's fundamentals, team, and roadmap before deciding to stake. Potential benefits of staking NVC on Kraken. High potential APY. The current estimated annual percentage yield is quite attractive for those looking to maximize their returns. Early adoption. Being able to stake a newer asset early on can position you to benefit from potential future growth in its value and staking rewards. Support for an innovative project. Staking helps secure the NovaCoin network and supports its mission in the decentralized identity space. Things to consider. Volatility. Newer cryptocurrencies can be more volatile in price, so the value of your staked assets could fluctuate significantly. Lockup periods. Kraken may implement a lockup period for NVC staking, meaning your assets will be inaccessible for a certain duration. Be sure to understand these terms before staking. Project risks. As a newer project, NovaCoin carries inherent risks related to its technology, adoption, and overall success. Hypothetical new asset 2, e.g., Lumina Chain, LMN. Lumina Chain is a Layer 2 scaling solution designed to improve the speed and reduce the transaction fees of a major existing blockchain. Mention the blockchain, e.g., like Ethereum. Staking LMN on Kraken offers an estimated annual yield of hypothetical percentage, e.g., 5 to 9%. Layer 2 solutions are becoming increasingly important for the scalability of blockchain technology, making LMN an interesting asset to consider. Potential benefits of staking LMN on Kraken. Exposure to Layer 2 innovation. Staking LMN allows you to participate in the growth of a crucial area of blockchain development. Potentially lower risk. As a Layer 2 solution built on an established blockchain, LMN might carry slightly lower risks compared to entirely new Layer 1 projects. Decent APY. The estimated yield offers a solid return for contributing to the network's security. Things to consider. Dependence on the base layer. The success of LMN is inherently linked to the success and adoption of its underlying blockchain. Competition. The Layer 2 landscape is becoming increasingly competitive, with various solutions vying for adoption. Staking requirements. There might be minimum staking amounts or specific requirements to participate in LMN staking on Kraken. Hypothetical new asset 3, e.g., Quantum Protocol, QPT. Quantum Protocol is a decentralized finance, DeFi, platform focused on, mention a specific DeFi application, e.g., cross-chain lending and borrowing. By staking QPT on Kraken, you can earn an estimated annual yield of hypothetical percentage, e.g., 7 to 11%. The DeFi space continues to explode in popularity, making platforms like Quantum Protocol worth exploring. Potential benefits of staking QPT on Kraken. Participation in DeFi growth. Staking QPT allows you to earn rewards from the activity within the Quantum Protocol DeFi ecosystem. Potential for governance rewards. In some DeFi protocols, staked tokens also grant voting rights in governance decisions, allowing you to influence the platform's future. Attractive yield. The estimated APY is competitive within the DeFi staking landscape. Things to consider. DeFi risks. The DeFi space is known for its complexity and inherent risks, including smart contract vulnerabilities and impermanent loss, though staking itself is generally lower risk than other DeFi activities. Protocol adoption. The success of QPT and its staking rewards depends on the platform's adoption and the overall health of its DeFi ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.